In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Webflow editor, sharing some tips and tricks along the way. We'll be taking you step by step through this process, so whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or just getting started, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently reach the editor to make updates to your website. If you're ready, let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is head to the Webflow website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in webflow.com in the search bar. Once you arrive on the home page, you'll see several options along the navigation menu, but our focus is on accessing the login page. Next, you'll want to click on the Login button. You'll find this in the top right corner of the Webflow homepage. Clicking here will take you to the sign-in page. If you've already set up your account, just enter your credentials here. If you need to set up an account, there's an option to sign up, but for now, we'll assume you're already a member. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This presents a central hub for managing your projects. It's a space where you can navigate all your active projects and even revisit completed ones. From here, your task is to access the project you want to edit. To move forward, navigate towards the Sites section. This can be done by selecting Site Settings. This step allows you to manage all the intricate details related to your site. Keep an eye out for options like backups, publishing settings, or even hosting configurations here. The next step is to locate and click on Site Access. This is where you manage who has access to edit your site. If collaboration is a big part of what you're doing, this section will quickly become one of your best friends due to its versatile access settings. Once you're in the Site Access section, your next action is to click on Editor Access. This part of the dashboard allows you to configure the rules regarding who can edit the site and to what extent. For those managing a team, it's crucial to understand these settings well. With all those settings reviewed, the final phase is accessing the actual Webflow editor. You'll see an option labeled Webflow Editor here. Simply click on it. This will take you directly to the editor where you can make all your desired changes. It's a powerful tool that combines functionality with an easy-to-use interface. That's how you access the Webflow editor with ease. I hope you find this guide useful and feel more confident navigating the Webflow environment. Be sure to explore, make those tweaks to your projects, and unleash your creativity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!